Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the HTML tags. So let's jump into the computer screen. Okay, so here we are on the computer screen. So first open this folder in Visual Studio Code. For that, you just drag this folder in Visual Studio Code, right? Okay, and now just maximize this, and here you can create your first HTML file as we created in the last video, right? And here I'm going to write the file name, which is index.html, and click on enter. Always remember, whenever you create any file, HTML is compulsory to add that after your file name. See the extension, it says that your file is HTML file, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to write the HTML syntax. For that, we first type exclamation mark here, and you can see here image abbreviation code. You can just enter, and your syntax will write automatically. Just enter here. Okay, here you can see about the HTML basic syntax, which is necessary to write the HTML codes, right? So first, I'm just describing all the lines. Keep it in your mind. First is doc type HTML. That means your document in what type of your document. So document type is HTML. Second thing is language is English, and third thing is third thing, and next thing is at. Okay, so here we are going to see the syntax of HTML, right? So the title, we can change the title here, web page. I am writing the title name is web page, and our code start from in the body tag, right? Like whatever you want to print, write in the body tag, as we discussed, right? I'm just recording the things, by that you can catch fast. So here you can write first thing h1, which is this is a heading. You know how many types of heading is there in the HTML? There are 6 types of heading in the HTML. So this is heading 1. This is heading 1, and I'm going to print all the headings, and you can see what is the difference between the headings, right? And next is h2. This is a heading 2, and now h3. This is a heading 3. Now h4. This is a heading 4. Now h5. This is a heading 5, and the last one is h6. This is a heading this is the heading 6. So after you run this code, after to view in this code in your browser, you will get to know what is the difference between these headings, right? So let's see in the output. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we just copy this file name path by right click on the file, and here you can see here copy path, right? And copy this path and open in your browser. Open and paste the path of that file and just enter it. Okay, what's your output is printed here? First thing is this is a heading 1, and this is a heading 2. So what is the difference you see here? The size and weight, right? So there are 6 types of heading in the HTML, right? First one is this is a heading 1. So if I talk about the which heading is big and which heading is small, then you can just imagine here. You can just tell me about the headings. Like you can see this is a heading 6. This is a very small heading, right? And this is the heading first. This is the top one heading, big size heading, right? So here you can know all about the headings, right? If you have any question, please comment below and let me know about your question, so I can understand and I can reply you. I can make you better understand about these codes, right? And here we can type P tag also. P tag means paragraph. If we want to write something paragraph, we can type here like today we are going to learn web development, and just save it and go that file where you are just running in your browser and refresh this file. Okay, here you can see your paragraph is also printed in the output. Today we are going to learn web development. So here you just understand about your heading, and p tag. P means paragraph tag, right? Okay, let's meet in the next video, and in that video we will learn some another tags in the HTML. Thank you so much guys, and stay tuned to learn more and explore more about the web development and HTML, right?